Good morning, fellow riders. Today's adventure starts at Boven Lake, a beautiful reservoir surrounded by the hills of eastern Serbia. But every biker knows that fuel alone isn't enough for a great ride. That's why I'm making a quick stop at Ortanj Mountain to recharge my batteries. They say this mountain has some special energy, and today I'm about to find out. Let's hit the road. Passing through Sokobanja, a place with plenty to see and explore, but we'll save that for another ride. Today we're heading for Tanj Mountain, searching for an ancient source of positive energy. They say its mysterious power has healing effects on those who visit, whether it's legend or truth. We're about to find out. If this is your first time on our channel, welcome. In this series, we'll take you across Serbia, exploring its breathtaking landscapes, hidden gems, rich history, and the roads that make every ride unforgettable. We will explore Serbia's natural beauty, be your guides, show you the most scenic roads for driving, discover the wonders Serbia has to offer, and reveal interesting facts that come from Serbia that you may not have known about. We already have some videos on the channel, but they are in Serbian, so we've decided to start from the beginning. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe, give us a like, and join us on this journey. We do this for you out of our love for nature and our passion for driving. And now we're getting close to an ancient place where it's time to recharge our energy. Some call it a mountain, others call it a mystery. But one thing is certain, we're about to experience it for ourselves. There's a mountain in Serbia shaped exactly like a pyramid. Coincidence? The locals don't think so. They call it Ortanj, and legend says it's older and weirder than anyone wants to admit. Some say UFOs land here regularly, like it's their favorite gas station. Others say the mountain hides a hollow chamber underneath, packed with energy strong enough to scramble your phone compass. Spoiler, it actually does mess with compasses. That part's real. Locals swear time moves differently up here. Maybe that's why bikers love it. We're already chasing something we can't explain. When people saw me in this unusual outfit, they thought I was wearing some kind of special suit for collecting energy. And my camera, they thought it was some kind of device for measuring energy. There were a lot of people around, and just to avoid them thinking I came from outer space or the future, I decided to move on. Behind me stands the largest pyramid in the Balkans, and now I'm heading toward Lazareva Cave. An endless open space in front of me, a place where you suddenly feel small, but in the best possible way. No crowds, no traffic, just the road and you. Passing through the small town of Boljevac, a quiet place at the foot of the mountains, known for its simple life, friendly people, and untouched nature all around. On the way out, I was greeted by a road that feels like it hasn't been touched since World War II. But hey, look closer. Every pothole has its own story. And somehow, they're all fixed, just enough to keep you guessing. This kind of road turns you into a little dashboard doll, just sitting there, nodding your head with every bump in the road. Doesn't bother me at all. I've already recharged my energy with my special suit, and I'm rolling on. Time for a quick break, escape the sun, and just enjoying nature for a moment. See that mountain over there? That's where we're headed. That's Lazar's Cave. We've arrived at Lazar's Cave. Lazar's Cave is one of the most impressive and mysterious cave systems in eastern Serbia, known for its scale, beauty, and hidden underground world. It's the longest explored cave in Serbia, stretching deep into the limestone of the Kuchaj Mountains. Inside, it feels like a completely different universe: huge chambers, sharp rock formations, underground rivers, and constant echoes that make it feel almost alive. What makes it especially interesting is that archaeologists found traces of prehistoric human life here. That means people were using or living around the cave thousands of years ago, long before modern civilization reached these mountains. Locals also like to tell legends about the cave being a hiding place for treasures and refugees during Ottoman times. Some stories even say the deeper parts of the cave were never fully explored, and that strange sounds and echoes come from places no one has mapped yet. So, in short, it's not just a cave, it's a mix of science, history, and mystery, which is exactly why it feels so powerful when you stand in front of it. Thanks for watching. In the next episode, I'll take you on a stunning ride through national parks and to a place where the river Mlava is born.